Hi, I'm Michael Hilkemeyer, your course facilitator and developer of the NESA and TQI accredited online workshop for early childhood educators. Last week, I sent you an email about how you can become a member of the course over a year. One thing I forgot to tell you was that one of the key benefits of actually becoming a member of the course is that you'll have continual access to the live lessons which I'll be running through the course throughout the year. How does this benefit you? Well, say that you were thinking or planning on using digital technology in the learning environment where you work the next week, the next month, or just planning ahead. By communicating with me in my emails, you can then ask me the questions that you want to find out, and I can then put those into the upcoming lessons for you before that time. Therefore, giving you the information and the strategies that you need to move your ideas forward. Or you could be simply just say, well, I haven't heard of, I need some information on this sort of area, and I need some more information on this sort of area to do with digital technology integration in early childhood education. Whatever the case, if you have any ideas, if you need more information about something, if you want assistance about anything that you're thinking about putting into a lesson plan or including in your learning environments, by communicating with me, I can put those ideas, those problems that you may have into upcoming live lessons in the course itself. So that's why becoming a member of the site really benefits you, because the other payment options that you have will not give you full access throughout the year. For example, if you pay upfront, you might only have 4 months access. So you might only be able to, depending on the live lessons run through that period, you might only have access to maybe 1, maybe 2 live lessons. But if you were a member of the site, of the course, by simply paying $25 a month, $25 a month, it's how much you would pay for something very little these days, really. $25 a month, you have access to up-to-date and new content in the course itself, plus the added bonus of making it more personalized for you by being able to communicate with me through email, saying, Michael, like I said, I need help with this, I need help with that, I'm planning to do this, I'm putting that, what can you tell me, that will help me? And then I'll put that into the lessons. And then I'll let you know when those live lessons are running. And you can have access to them throughout the whole year. All lessons will be recorded and then kept there as a kind of archive for you to go back throughout the whole year and to learn and make sure that this course is personalized to your needs. So I encourage you to become a member of our online PD for early childhood educators today, and to start your road, your journey, your learning journey in developing ICT capability in your early childhood learning environment today.